Welcome to Kitchenesia. I'm so glad you're here today. If you love cozy, timeless kitchen designs that mix beautiful materials like wood, marble, and metal, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some inspiring ideas to help you create a kitchen that feels warm, elegant, and just right for your home. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and stay with me until the end. You won't want to miss these simple tips and stunning combinations that could transform your kitchen into your favorite room. Let's get started. Imagine a kitchen where rustic wood meets smooth white marble countertops, bathed in warm ambient lighting that makes the space feel cozy and timeless. The soft beige and cream tones create a welcoming atmosphere, perfect for those quiet mornings or relaxed afternoons. This elegant kitchen design blends nature's raw beauty with a touch of sophistication, inviting you to enjoy every moment spent here. It's all about comfort and style coming together in harmony. Rich walnut wood cabinets paired with sleek brushed nickel metal handles bring a sense of classic charm to your kitchen. Add a marble backsplash and natural daylight pouring in, and you have a space that feels both modern and timeless. This soothing neutral palette calms the senses and makes cooking or entertaining a joy. This design is perfect for those who appreciate refined elegance without losing warmth. Picture a kitchen with a white marble backsplash and floating natural oak wood shelves, softly lit by warm lighting that highlights the minimalistic decor. The clean and airy space feels fresh and inviting, with subtle earth tones that ground the design. It's a perfect balance of simplicity and style, creating a peaceful spot where beauty meets function effortlessly. Warm wood cabinetry contrasts beautifully with cool matte black metal fixtures, all set atop marble countertops glowing under soft golden lighting. This balanced and inviting kitchen ambience feels both contemporary and cozy, making it a wonderful place to gather or relax. The mix of textures and tones creates depth and visual interest without overwhelming the senses. Polished brass metal knobs and pulls add a touch of refinement to dark cherry wood cabinets, perfectly complementing white marble counters. Warm sunlight floods the kitchen, enhancing the sophisticated yet comfortable vibe. This design blends elegance with a homey feel, making your kitchen a stylish haven that welcomes everyone. Stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly with honey-toned wood cabinets and marble surfaces, illuminated by bright natural light. The contemporary kitchen style is calm and welcoming, offering a fresh, clean look while maintaining warmth. It's a perfect design for those who love modern convenience with a touch of natural charm. Textured reclaimed wood combines with a polished white marble island, glowing softly under warm pendant lighting. Soft pastel accents add subtle color, creating a rustic yet elegant kitchen atmosphere that feels inviting and personal. This space offers a wonderful mix of character and grace, perfect for relaxed living. Light maple wood cabinetry pairs beautifully with veined gray marble countertops, bathed in diffused natural light. The Scandinavian-inspired kitchen feels fresh and serene, with its clean lines and gentle color palette. It's a space designed to bring calm and order, perfect for enjoying simple, peaceful moments. Matte black metal faucets and hardware provide a striking contrast to warm wood cabinetry and white marble surfaces, all softened by ambient lighting. This modern farmhouse kitchen style is both chic and inviting, blending sleek design with rustic warmth for a balanced, comfortable feel. Open wood shelving with black metal brackets hovers above marble countertops, bathed in warm natural light. This industrial chic kitchen design combines earthy colors with clean lines, creating an inviting, stylish space that feels both grounded and contemporary. It's perfect for those who love a mix of textures and materials. Mixed oak and walnut wood grains blend seamlessly with white marble surfaces, warmed by incandescent lighting. This traditional kitchen design feels cozy and elegant, combining rich textures and timeless materials to create a welcoming atmosphere that's full of character. Light wood cabinetry with matte black metal handles pairs beautifully with white marble, illuminated by soft natural light. The modern rustic kitchen feels clean and warm, a perfect blend of contemporary style and inviting comfort. It's a space where you can feel relaxed and inspired. A white marble kitchen island with a dark wood base and brushed brass fixtures glows under warm pendant lights. This luxurious yet comfortable kitchen setting combines rich materials and soft lighting to create a space that's both elegant and inviting, perfect for gathering and creating memories. Polished marble surfaces sit alongside natural wood cabinetry, lit by warm LED lights that make the kitchen feel fresh and clean. This interior focuses on material care and longevity, offering a timeless design that celebrates quality and simplicity for years to come. Rustic wood beams frame polished marble countertops accented by aged copper metal details, all warmed by soft lighting. This vintage farmhouse kitchen style creates a nostalgic atmosphere filled with charm and history, perfect for those who love a cozy, timeless space. Black metal pendant lights hang over light wood and marble kitchen surfaces, casting a warm glow that enhances the contemporary rustic style. This inviting and stylish kitchen blends modern design with natural materials to create a space that feels both fresh and welcoming. Textured wood cabinets contrast with white marble countertops and shiny chrome metal accents, softened by warm lighting. This elegant and balanced kitchen design combines different textures and finishes to create a harmonious, inviting atmosphere where style meets comfort. Dark wood cabinetry pairs with veined white marble countertops and matte black metal lighting fixtures, all bathed in warm ambient light. The sophisticated modern kitchen style offers a refined, cozy space perfect for relaxing and enjoying every moment at home. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these ideas on mixing wood, marble, and metal to create a beautiful kitchen space that's both cozy and stylish. Remember, blending these materials thoughtfully can add warmth, elegance, and timeless charm to your home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchenesia for more inspiration, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have. See you in the next video.